Flag. Number 6, 7. Oh, get him.
Whoop, there he goes.
Oh, I just lost him.
Just a few more minutes.
Just one fish.
Got him on. There he goes. Eric and I have decided that we're going to hit the same lake that we fished in the last episode. A little bit further south of here, we got quite a bit of snow in the last snowstorm there, and a lot of the ponds have slush on them. And up this way, there wasn't quite as much slush, so it'll be a lot easier to get out on the lake. So that's what we're going to do. And if you didn't happen to catch the last one there, there's brook trout in here, there's salmon in here, and I guess Eric said there's some lake trout and maybe some splake too. I'm not sure on the splake, but anyway, we're going to get out there as soon as Eric shows up and see what we can do.
First flag of the morning.
Oh, you dropped it.
You didn't do your ice hole dance.
Huh?
You didn't do the ice hole dance.
You didn't even take the bait.
You were on the wrong side. The hook turn, take it out, turn the hook, put it back down.
Oh yeah, I did too, didn't I? Might be dead.
Put it back down and jig them up.
Yeah.
I thought these were your traps to begin with.
They are.
And that's how you always did it?
That's how I always did it.
Never twisted up on
Hey.
it? No, I'm curious. I'm genuinely curious. Old generation fishing with new generation fishing. You got tactics that I haven't seen or used before because they're as old as dirt. And you just haven't kept up with times.
Gonna be a pretty good morning this morning. That's the second flag there. Eric still hasn't got his trap set up, so I'm gonna film this myself.
Did you get him?
Nope.
Third flag of the morning. See what we got.
See on there?
Oh yeah. It's a big smelt, so I'm gonna give him a little bit. Yeah.
You on there?
Oh, that's a little bit better fish.
Yeah.
Well, at least oh, I just lost him. I felt little head shakes.
Oh. What'd you do that for?
I don't think I had a good hook set. Use my ring finger for a guider. There's a button. Set her back.
How much water are you in there?
15 feet. Careful, there's a hole there and a hole there.
Oh, yeah. That's a jig spot.
Yeah.
Yep. Got a flag. Whoop, there he goes. I'll lose him before I get done here.
There we go. Yes, sir.
There. And a nice fish. There he goes.
Yes, sir. Flag.
Same one you got a flag on before, isn't it?
Yep. Right off to the side. It's a smaller bait this time, so maybe he's got it in his mouth. But it almost looks like he's dropped it because this line's just kind of slowly settling down. Oh, he might be diving.
he ain't there, just do like I did and pull it back.
Yeah. Yeah, he definitely dropped it. No bait.
No bait?
No bait. Huh. Well, we'll reset it and see if we can't get him to come back. Maybe. Yeah, I watched that start to go off, and then it finally released. You know, it started to go.
Yeah.
Oh, get him, get him, get him.
Oh, he's going.
He's hooked.
Yep, got him.
Good one?
I don't know. Looks like it might be. About the same size, I'd say.
That big one recording?
Might be a brook trout. It's coming right in.
Salmon.
Is it?
Yeah, nice salmon.
Fucker.
He hit my trap, came right to yours.
Is that what happened?
That's exactly what happened.
I don't think he's that big. I think he's about the same as the last one.
Think so?
Yeah.
No, that is Brook. No, it is salmon.
That's salmon. Same size, he's just a little feisty.
Yeah.
There he goes again. Took right off.
Circling.
Oh, he almost come up the hole. Oop,
There he is.
there we go. Not too bad. Well, same size as the other one.
Yeah. See how that back fin's clipped off?
Yeah. You and that fin thing.
Yeah. There you go.
All right, let me just let him get a breath here.
Backhand. There you go.
That's a nice one. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What's the score? 2-0.
Yes, sir.
Somebody forgot the bait again.
Is somebody? Oh, I got a flag.
Oh, got another flag.
Flag. Number
Good
6,
morning.
7.
Guess it weren't the same fish, was it?
Barely tripped. Just a smelt.
Huh?
Just a smelt. I had barely set it, hopefully, to let him get it without triggering, or feeling the trigger, I should say.
Huh. It's out of shape. All this running.
Yeah.
Eric's got to walk a half mile to get here. Out there messing with them trout, lake trout. Run! You on there? Yeah, he is, isn't he?
Oh, that's a nice fish. Might have you hooked up with something. He's got me in something. Unless that's a giant.
Is he taking line?
Yeah.
Well, maybe we got the fish we've been looking for.
Oh, he just came off, whatever it was. No, that's a nice fish.
What's going on there, kid?
Well, we got fish on. I can feel him tugging, but I also feel like we're wrapped up with something. I ain't gonna get this fish. Definitely wrapped up with something. Son of a...
I'm kidding. Yeah, that's too bad.
Taking line.
Well, if he's taking line there, it just can't be the button.
It could be buttons caught in something. Yeah, that ain't budging. Maybe that's just what it is, wrapped up in a buoy or something.
Oh, when you pull it tight, it's going back.
Yeah. But I can feel the fish jerking. Oh, came off whatever it was.
Is he still on there?
No.
Still there?
Yeah, right on bottom. Gone.
Huh?
Gone.
Gone.
Oh no, he came back in.
Should I set the other camera up, or is he
Yeah,
not that active?
not that. Well, he's staying right on bottom, but he's not moving. Oh,
Camera. Missed him?
yeah. Might have took my bait. Oh,
Missed him again?
small.
Perch.
Probably looking for lake trout in 40 feet of water.
Oop. Got him on. Oop. Show you what we got here. Brook trout, looks like. Pretty nice one, too. Pretty nice one. 16, 18 inches. Oh, he's bigger than that. Got a nice one. Well, he's probably 16. Whoop, 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 whoop. Don't go nowhere. Nice fish.
Yeah.
Getting him. Three to nothing. Eric's out there trying to get some dog, lake trout, whatever you want to call them. Anyway, he'll probably catch a lot bigger fish than me before the day's out.
So Dad's in there jigging for fish on shore. I'm out here in 44 feet of water trying to find some lake trout. Hasn't been panning out. Might move my way a little bit closer, maybe back to 30 feet of water, see if we can't find anything.
Run!
Well, I get a flag. I'm gonna go in and grab that.
See there?
Nope.
You take any line?
No. Just went straight down.
Huh. What is going on there, Eric? What you need to do is get your jig and, hey, you got it right with you.
I did, but I didn't bring the right one. But you know what?
What?
I'm gonna go grab all the sled and stuff and come back this way a little ways.
Yeah. We got a flag. Pulled it out of his mouth. Oh, he's still on there.
Just turned him.
Boy, he took some line. That's a pretty good fish. Whoop, he's turning. Yeah, that's a nice one. looks like a pretty decent one. Oh, you big. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Great cleats, huh?
yeah. Oh, oh, there he goes. Come on, let's do it this time. That's a little bit bigger fish, I think. Where's his head? Where's his head? Ooh, there he goes.
He saw you.
See if I can get him this time.
There's a better fish, huh?
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Nice.
Well, a little bit bigger. Nice one.
Definitely.
Yep.
That actually might be a keeper. Perfect. Yep.
There we go.
Yep.
Just for the record, that's number 4. 2. Go ahead there, I'll fix this up here. You can go back jigging.
Dad was just saying we need a flag or we're leaving, and we got one.
Yeah, you're about overdue, ain't you?
Yeah.
Buddy?
More than overdue. Oh, he didn't take no line.
That's it, we're leaving.
No, you said we needed a flag. We got a flag. Took the bait. Nope.
Any good?
Giant.
Well, you got a big shiner on there?
Smelt.
Smelt?
Yeah.
How come you're not catching any fish, Eric?
I think it's a little bit of karma for the first 2 weeks. I caught a bunch of fish. You didn't catch any. It's time for you to catch up. It's been a good day. Another good day, I should say. Day 2 of our opening extravaganza. We've had, I don't know, probably at least a dozen flags today. Dad's done really well. I'm still struggling, trying to get a fish last minute. We're all but packed up. How many salmon do you think you caught today, roughly?
I think 3, but I'm not positive there.
Yeah. And what, one brook trout?
1 or 2 brook trout, I can't remember.
Yeah.
Pretty good day anyway.
Definitely.
You got a bunch of flags there.
Yeah. That one flag, I really thought I had a whale on. He stopped me dead, and nope, wrapped up in something, broke him off.
But anyway, there we had a good time anyway, and that's what it's all about. It's going to be dark for too long there, so we're going to be getting out of here right directly, aren't we, Eric?
Yeah. Maybe.
Just a few more minutes.
Just one fish. Just one. Tonight it's one fish. Just give me one fish.
Anyway, there, we appreciate you watching, and until next time.